This is the Ascenta ATTC42-56. This is a 42-inch standard machine clamping from 14-inch to 42-inch and up to 56-inch using the adapters supplied. This machine is ideal for uses for fleet operators, agricultural workshops, farming workshops across Australia. These are being built to suit our conditions here in this country. The machine tool head functions from hook to disc is all automatic, and the tool head up and down is also automatic. This machine also features a 2-speed rotation. The articulated arm on the machine is extremely handy for the operator when mounting and demounting tyres. The operator can be in full view and full control of the tyre, and also have the controls to operate the machine right at hand. The machine also comes with aluminium jaw protectors to reduce scratches when changing alloy wheels. Experience the power, precision and performance of the ATTC 42-56. Get in touch with us today, click the link below, be in touch with one of our professional team who will guide you through the exact right machine for your application.